Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off filter low quality messages on your account on Xtwitter easy and quick. First click here, and now click here, and here you will find it, filter low quality messages. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off, and it will be saved, and that's it. That's how to turn off filter low quality messages on your account on Xtwitter easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.